One of the most fascinating parts of this story is the fact that it was bipartisan. When we were actually establishing the center, preparatory work had been done, the appropriation had been made, but at the time we were starting, we were changing from one administration to another, from Governor Hunt, who had been governor for 8 years in his first 2 terms, to Governor Jim Martin, who was a PhD chemist, a brilliant scientist, an extraordinary political figure. They realized that North Carolina's economic future had to be closely tied to technology. That was our best bet, that would be how we would have a productive and prosperous economy. Our advantages, to just mention them briefly in this state, were these 3 great research universities, all the research universities really, and our traditional industries, because we learned that the future of life sciences, biotechnology, genetic engineering was going to impact forestry and agriculture and medicine and pharmaceuticals, and those were already mainstays of our economy.
I was recruited by Stuart Barnrod and Jerry Handgard in 1988, and the public had no idea about what the biotech center was, much less what it was going to do. Our first effort in North Carolina in biotechnology was to build a research presence. And once we started to bring those people in, people knew what to expect from us on the side of hiring the best scientists for the field, but the field that we hired them in matched what the universities needed. So we really put a research program in place. The function of the business development group was to recruit large corporations with active biotech programs and to find funding for startup companies for production of new products that had not been researched. I always focused on developing things that would bring in a nice profit for the economy, but would create jobs for the people.
It was an incredibly exciting time when I was leading the Biotech Center. First of all, we were named the 3rd leading state in the country for biotechnology. Then we recruited Merck and Novartis to build really full-scale biomanufacturing production facilities to create new vaccines, one in Treyburn and one in Holly Springs. Third, we developed a strategic plan that led to the opening of regional offices across the state so that we could bring biotechnology statewide. We developed out of that plan the most comprehensive biomanufacturing workforce training program really in the world. And the fruits of that continue to deliver for North Carolina.
The wonderful thing about the Biotech Center is over the years, starting with Charles Hamner, bless his heart, what a wonderful man he is, have been able to bring together a coalition of really smart people to help move really good technology and innovation and creative thinking from the lab and the workbench out to the marketplace where people can use it. The Biotech Center has been able to thrive over the years because it has always had very, very strong political support. But we've always been fortunate to be funded strongly by the General Assembly. And so we got to thank our colleagues in the General Assembly for what they've done to help perpetuate and help grow this great segment of North Carolina's economy.